I want to share a real story with you today. A mother and her daughter. She asked her mother that she is so sad and going through a hard times in life. Few people keep on saying that she is not likable and make fun of her dreams. Whatever she planned to do is always criticized by them. This thing is annoying her so deep that she was losing herself every day and crying out loud in nights. Mother holds her hand and give her a ring and ask her to go to the people who are annoying her and ask for its price. She was a bit surprised at what her mother is asking for, but she did what she said. She asked different people in her circle about its price. Somebody says it's 5,000, somebody says it's 10,000, and then she returned to her mother and told her what had happened. And then her mother asked her to go to a goldsmith shop and ask for its price. She was again seeing her mother weirdly, but she managed and she gone to the goldsmith and asked for its price. He says it costs 2 lakh. She came back and told her mother that it worth so much. Mother smiled and said, "This is what I want to tell you, my daughter, that only few people know your worth and few people know the worth of the real diamond. In the same way, only few people will come to know about your worth. Don't worry about what others are thinking. Start giving value to yourself." Hey, my loving daughter, I'll no longer be there to listen to you and give you the best piece of advice. I can't be available every time, everywhere with you. There is no one who can rescue you from the problems you have in life. Make yourself your best friend because you know yourself the most, and don't allow your mind to think about what others are saying about you and your work. People will always have something to say, good, bad, or worse. But you cannot be judged by what others are saying about you until you accept what they are saying. You and your mind can be your best friend and your worst enemy, so choose wisely. What do you want from life, and don't allow small-minded people to ruin your inner peace of life. Don't allow others to rate your value. Value yourself. Find your potential and try to put your best in what you do. You have all the power to control yourself. Do not bother how hard the world to you or how many hurdles came in your way. You can make the bigger changes to the world because everyone is unique and you have one life to prove your uniqueness to yourself and to the world. Do not waste it by sitting in a room and thinking about what to do and where to start. Time is now. Stand and start. No matter you walk or crawl, but move. When you move towards your goal, you will be a step ahead towards your destiny, towards your beautiful goal. And you will be better every day, and every day you will be closer to the destination. This will be an achievement to you. Celebrate it within yourself and keep moving forward. You are the true winner. Keep saying this. I am the winner. I am the winner. Work until no longer you have to introduce yourself. Stand, focus, and work. Win yourself.